Hi, my name is Naya.
My name is Diena.
And today we will explain you how to make salt leaves with oyster sauce
And leaves pudding.
Now let's begin. These are the materials. One is frying pan. This is mold, spatula, cutting board, knife,
And blender. And these are the ingredients. This is tomato, chili, garlic, onion. And this is pepper, salt, 1 sachet of jelly powder, oyster sauce, sugar, leaf, extract leaf, and cooking oil.
First of all, prepare all the ingredients and materials.
Second, chop the onion. Chop the garlic. Chop the chili. And last, chop the tomato.
Third, heat up the frying pan. And add cooking oil. If the frying pan already heat enough, fourth, add onion and garlic first.
Fifth, stir it constantly until the color of the garlic and the onion become caramel.
Six, add chili and tomato. Then mix it carefully. 7, add leaf. And mix it.
8, if already mixed up, add some water. Then stir it again.
9, add oyster sauce. Then stir it constantly.
11, add the pepper. And add the salt as much as you want.
If all the ingredients already mixed, then ready to cook. 13, pour the salt leaves into plate.
Then finish! Second, put leaf into the blender. Then blend a mixture until it's smooth.
Fourth, strain the leaves.
add 200 ml extract leaves, 200 ml coconut milk, and 400 ml water into big pot, then stir it gently.
6. Add the jelly powder. 180 gram granulated sugar in the glass.
7. Add the jelly powder and granulated sugar into big pot, then stir it gently.
8. Add the rest of granulated sugar and salt into big pot.
9. Heat up the big pot.
10. Then stir it constantly until completely boiled and dissolved.
11. Reduce the heat. Then pour a mixture into cup.
12. Pour a mixture of leaf pudding to the mold.
13. Set aside and let it cool in the fridge.
Then put pudding into a plate. And leaf pudding is all ready!
Riri, would you like to try?
Yes, of course. Let me try.
How it is?
This really tastes so good. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Thank you, Diena. This pudding is delicious.
It's delicious.
Number 1.
Numero uno.
Nice. Wow, this is very delicious.
I will eat it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oishi.
This is very tasty. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Delicious.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azabannar.
Amin.
This is good.
Delicious. Sweet. It tastes first like matcha. And also the textures is quite comfy. It's really good. I really like the taste. I wonder if I can have more. Can I?
Yes.
Thank you.